हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू वाइजर्ड लैब यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम आपको कस्टमर कॉर्नर हाउ ए बी टेस्टी यूज मार्केट एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव इंटेलिजेंस टू इम्प्रूव एम्प्लॉय ऑन बोर्डिंग के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। सहीला लहर ऑन ट्यूसडे अगस्त 22 2024 23 रीडिंग टाइम 7 minutes। Creating a culture of CI can feel like training for a marathon. It requires serious dedication and repetition. So much running, and for most running 26.2 miles don't happen on the first day. You got to start somewhere. Will lose first few miles when it comes to competitive intelligence. Starting somewhere often translate to new hire orientation. For this customer corner, we sat down with Margaret Hockoper, product marketing manager at AP Tasty, and a five-time marathoner, to discuss how she introduces new employees to market and competitive intelligence during onboarding. Was CI already part of new hire onboarding when you first joined, or was that something you introduced at AB Testy? It was not originally part of our new hire orientation. Competitive intelligence in general felt like a bit of a black box where sellers knew about our competitors and how to deal with them, but that knowledge once effectively shared across the company. Prior to my joining there was no one with a rule 100% dedicated to CI, so the struggler was real. Team members had worked hard to create resources for sales to SSCI, including a Slack channel dedicated to competition, as well as again PowerPoint deck that served us, or bottle cards as great as those resources, where there was no way to measure if anyone was actually using them. Prior to my joining AB Tasty, sign up to carry on, and will a tune of progress had been made part of my remit, was around change management. For example, I was tasked with getting more employees to use our CI Slack channel and carry on bottle cards, or onboarding was one area I called tackle already on to ensure new hires and had these behaviors in place from the get go. Thought a market intelligence onboarding was already in place. When I started, it was only for sales folks, meaning a lot of new joiners weren't exposed to it when I joined. I immediately saw I gap in our orientation process. There was a missed opportunity to share information on our market and competitive landscape with all new hires beyond just a sales team to think you were introducing something new to AB tasty onboarding did. You need to get buy in order to be included. I really didn't uh, have any pushback when I discussed the importance of presenting CI to new hires quit. The opposite, the team loved the idea of expanding market and competitive intelligence, not just to sellers but to everyone joining AB Tasty. When employees are first joining, there's so much learning that needs to happen, especially around the market lingo. It's critical to have the lay of the land, and I wanted to help new employees get a fast start by providing both thoughts backgrounds on our market and our top competitors. Can you discuss some of the specifics and tactics around new hire onboarding? How often are you training new hires? How long is the training? What do you present to them? For A/B testy, onboarding happens once a month, and it's on a global scale. No matter where you are and that department you're in participate in onboarding, live or virtual. The CI presentation I give is 45 minutes long an hour max, because anything longer you'll experience eyes glazing over. Em- empathize that everyone is consuming a lot of information in these first few days. For the actual presentation, I am providing booth market and competitive intelligence. My job is to present the big picture so that everyone has a sense of who A/B Testy is and where we fit in the larger market. For new hires, I need to clearly frame this where we fit narrative across several product lines and geographies. I dedicated one to two soldiers slides for each of our top competitors. Cross product lines, this breaks down to who the competitor is, what markets we see them is, what our biggest challenges are for this particular competitor, and relevant wins against this competitor. I'll go through both a few bottle cards at a high level so that they can see this for the first time. I also discuss the importance of file intel, why it matters, and that everyone can and should provide intel, not just the sales team. From the here I mention the specifics on how to send me intel and all the channels I back carry on email Slack. How is Carry On incorporated into new hire onboarding? During my presentation, I dove into the Carry On platform. Everyone at ABTSC has access to Carry On, so this is where I can stress the importance of everyone participating. In CI, everyone sees all the bottle cards and that Carry On offers right from the beginning. At A/B Testy, Carry On is used beyond the sales team or customer success team uses the bottlenecks to have a better understanding of the competition so they can handily advise a exciting customer when a renewal time comes up, or HR department using the boards function within Carry On to track information about tech companies that candidates who applied to A/B Testy are also applying to this gives them a knowledge bank about those companies offer parts different status and similarities compared with A/B testing, allowing them to get a sense of where they may potentially be losing a candidate in the hiring process and ideate around attracting new talent. Saying onboarding is information overload for new employees. So, do you have any tips for creating a CI training that's memorable for everyone? One tips to get an employee to take an action will you have them together and in the moment I have everyone join the competitor Slack channel during my session, and I also have new employee log into Carry On will be all in the room with a single sign on enabled, but they can easily get in. And from here, I want to be sure they can navigate around. I found that if you don't have everyone participate in the moment, people will forget and move on quickly. How do you keep the autism going for CI in general beyond onboarding? One area where I really doubled down is our competitive Intel Slack channel and trying to keep it as engaging as possible. If someone comes to me directly with a CI question or comment, I ask them to post it into the Slack channel to that were keeping the activity high. Anytime as I make an update to a competitive website like my bottle cards, I am announcing that update to the channel so that anyone everyone knows and will ideally go check out the update. It's making sure I carve out time every week to incorporate new intel and then immediately share it to the Slack channel. The channel is night and day from what it used to be, and so much of that is just working at it to keep the updates consistent and relevant. Interested to learn how other carry on customers are exciting expectation and creating winning competitive programs? Check out some additional customer corner success stories. How Splash used Carry On to implement a culture of competitive intelligence. How Carry On onboarding empowered MIQ to achieve 70% bottle card adoption. How Intelliman used Carry On to renew an 8 risk customer. Sheila Lahar. Sheila Lahar is the VP of Content Marketing here at Carry On, responsible for making sure that everything we publish is unique, compelling, and valuable. Prior to joining Carry On, she built successful content marketing programs at a number of B2B SaaS companies, including Flatlife, Dead2, and Coelco. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।